This is 38 with braces. For those of y'all that's been following the YouTube channel, I'm 38 years old. I wanted my teeth fixed since I was a child. They always been crooked. So I finally had the opportunity, had health insurance, had a job, had coverage. Met a guy, Mr. John Scott, right here, Scott's Orthodontist. He told me he could help me out. So I came in, got seen. They put the braces on. They put a wire on the bottom of my teeth. And they couldn't put the wire on the top because I had to get the two teeth pulled on both sides so they could make room to start straightening up my top teeth. My top teeth are very crooked. So today I'm going to get the top bar put on, or the top wire put on. So join me on the journey. Go ahead and like it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. 38 years old, going through changes that I should have went through when I was a child. We all have something that we held back on. I'm trying to encourage people through my story to be bold and step out on faith and do what you got to do. What is that? That's gonna stay there?
Until next time, yes.
But why is my wire crooked?
Because your teeth aren't properly aligned.
Is it gonna break?
No. If it does, that means you did something you shouldn't.
I can drink alcohol and stuff?
Yeah, you can do all that.
You could at least give me a straight wire.
I can't give you what you can't get.
That make my teeth look crookeder.
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little. Because you'll start to see the difference. They'll level out.
Like tomorrow?
No, not that soon. Within 2 weeks, you'll start to see something. But take some Advil or...
I don't need medicine.
Okay.
I'm
well,
good. I'm
whatever
obese.
you use.
Yesterday I was at the orthodontist. They put the braces on the top. They put the wire on the top. And those green things are, she called them power chains. And what it's going to do, it's going to pull my front teeth back to touch the ones that got extracted. It's going to close the gap up. When I left, she told me to take some pain medicine. I ain't paying no attention. I wish I did, because I went home and ate something. Even though it was soft, it still hurt. My teeth feel like they're starting to move already. But the wire makes my teeth look a little crookeder. But not crookeder, they've always been crooked, but it shows how crooked they are, because you see the wire running like this. Look like a heart rate monitor. But 38 with braces, stay tuned, stay blessed.